Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix blurry camera issue on iPhone. Fixing a blurry camera on your iPhone, our video is here to help you resolve this common issue efficiently. We delve into simple yet effective solution, from clearing your camera lens to removing incomplete, incompatible party apps and even performing a quick restart. These steps are designed to enhance your iPhone's camera functionality, ensuring clear and focused pictures every time. Ideal for anyone looking to quickly fix their iPhone's camera focus problem. It provides practical and easy to follow solutions. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is cleaning iPhone camera lenses. Check for dust, dirt, fingerprints or moisture on the camera lenses. Use a soft, dry, lint-free cloth. Gently wipe the lens to remove any impurities and you are done. And the next step is uninstalling third-party camera app. Incompatible third-party camera apps can conflict with your iPhone's native camera functions. Find the third-party camera app on your home screen. For example, if it's a Snapchat, tap and hold the app icon until a pop-up menu appears. Next, select Remove App and then tap on Delete App. Next, tap on Delete again to confirm. Remove these apps can help resolve any conflicts and improve your iPhone's camera. And you are done. The next step is restarting your iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. Next, drag the slider. After the phone turned off, press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. For this, go to Settings. Scroll down. Next, tap on General and then tap on Software Update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, download and install it. These steps effectively address camera issues related to software glitches or outdated iOS version and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of blurry camera issue on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.